This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. See, is this the ultimate find of the year? This H is undoubtedly hands down incredible. Is this the ultimate find of the year? The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that it is super lightweight and durable. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely how it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works as advertised, this is it. Don't wait until it's backordered everywhere. The product link is waiting for you right inside the video description. Check it out right this second. Product link product_link_ placeholder. This might just be the most satisfying